Hi, this is John from Designer Appliances, New Jersey, New York's premier appliance showroom. A lot of our customers gravitate towards Bertazzoni because of the beautiful design. The ranges are truly counter depth, so they won't stick out into your kitchen like other pro style ranges, and it carries a reasonable price point for a high-end appliance, especially if you're looking for a splash of color. However, not that much has been said about the performance of Bertazzoni, so today we're going hands-on to show you what Bertazzoni brings to the kitchen. Today we're here with Chef Jonathan from APT Catering Events in Paterson, New Jersey, who's going to help us demo this unit. So Chef Jonathan, what impresses you most about the Bertazzoni range?
Actually, the first thing that was impressive to me was the color. They had so many different colors, I thought it was a toy. But then when it came in, I got actually a chance to really use it. It kicks ass. Can I say kick ass on it? All right, this is great. But yeah, so for the most part, we utilized every kind of feature that we could today. We boiled pasta today in under 12 minutes, which we don't do that in restaurants. One of the most impressive things that I found out about this was being able to use this dual burner system. Actually being able to simmer at one point with a really low simmer and also having the ability to hug the bottom of the pan when we turn the heat all the way up.
As Jonathan mentioned, this range isn't just a pretty toy. It packs a ton of cooking power. With our first test, we boiled water for our pasta and were able to achieve a rapid boil in under 10 minutes. This is thanks to the 19,000 BTU power burner featuring Bertazzoni's unique dual ring design. The inner and outer flames work together to maximize the surface area getting heated by the burner flames, allowing you to quickly get a pan up to temperature for searing, or in our case, getting water to boil quickly. Bertazzoni ranges are available in 3 unique styles: Heritage, Professional, and Master Series. For our test, we're using the 6-burner Professional Series gas range, and the large cook surface and continuous grates made it extremely easy to move around pots and pans as we manage the multiple dishes we prepared. In addition to high power output, Bertazzoni gives you the flexibility for delicate tasks as well. For the pasta, we prepared both a red and a white sauce using the simmer power level, and we were able to keep a steady low simmer going while we prepared the rest of the meal. Similar to the cooktop, the oven also packs a ton of chef-inspired features. You'll notice right away the beautiful edge-to-edge glass door. The door gives you a clear view into the progress of your meal. During our testing, we learned the interior light stays on during the entire cooking cycle, so your food will always be easy to monitor. Inside, Bertazzoni has a dual convection fan system. The dual fans circulate air inside the oven cavity, resulting in even cooking results across all racks. If you've been on the market for a range, you may have heard that electric ovens are better than gas ovens for baking due to their even, consistent temperatures. The reason for this is because most gas ovens continuously cycle the flame on and off in order to reach the desired temperature. This cycling results in a huge temperature swing, which, for baking especially, can make or break the end result. Bertazzoni utilizes a variable gas flame in the oven that is automatically adjusted to maintain temperature instead of cycling on and off for a more precise control over the oven temperature. To really show off the chef-inspired design of the Bertazzoni, we tested the gas infrared broiler. Unlike other smaller broilers that are an afterthought, Bertazzoni designed theirs with home chefs in mind. The full-width design gives you even results across whatever you're broiling. We tested this with both chicken and with lamb, and the results speak for themselves. For the chicken, each piece has the same level of sear regardless of where they were sitting in the broiling pan. The same goes for the lamb. The lamb rack was seared evenly across its entire surface. One of the last things we wanted to highlight was the unique safety features found on the Bertazzoni. With a high-powered gas range, there's always a concern of what happens if the flame gets blown out. A common occurrence in my home is I'll boil pasta, walk away for a few minutes, just to come back and the water's boiled over. On most ranges, this would extinguish the flame and gas would continue to pour into your kitchen, creating a serious hazard. Bertazzoni has a unique safety valve that will turn off the gas when no flame is detected, as seen here. Another nice safety feature, especially if you have kids, is the triple glass oven door, which was cool to the touch even after we were cooking for over 2 hours. After spending a few hours in the kitchen with the Bertazzoni range, we were extremely impressed by the performance. That, topped with the fact that their appliances come with a full 2-year warranty, make Bertazzoni a great choice for any kitchen. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments down below, or stop by one of our New Jersey showrooms, just a short drive from New York, featuring the entire Bertazzoni range lineup on display. You can find Chef Jonathan for private events on Instagram at Chef John Harris. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.